Assalamualaikum Sampurasun. My name is Ali Cahyadi from Cisika Jaya of Seman 1 Cilawetan Group. I am with Mr. Yudi as a team leader and with Mrs. Risa Aisyah and Mr. Gifari Abu Rashid as my team member. Today, I will showing you how we implemented a project-based learning called STEAM Project-Based Learning Designing Smart Vehicle using 4D frame. So happy watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What we learning today? Today we are learning about STEM learning project designing Mars exploration vehicle using 4D frame. The condition about Mars we should considering when we explore that planet. The first one is average temperature is minus 60 degrees Celsius. That means it's below that temperature on Earth. It's most important, what's challenge? Will you rover or don't solve? In order to adapt at Mars condition. Yeah. So after we watching the video about Mars exploration, yeah, as I said before, I will challenge you to fill the first LKPD about exploring Mars. So before we continuing to next step, I will asking to you, what did you learning on first meeting? Someone? Yeah, Siva. Uh, okay. Solution by making some vehicle, yeah, some various vehicle to Mars exploration. Okay, that's right, yeah. And then I will continuing about explanation from Siva, yeah. From the first meeting, maybe you have idea some various vehicle to exploring Mars. So in this meeting, I asking you to follow up that idea on the second worksheet. The second worksheet, I asking you to choose one vehicle you think is more suitable to exploring Mars. At this meeting, I will introduce you to one platform to design your prototype. What it is a 4D frame. 4D frame is instructional kit when you can learning about the building of geometric shape, including space exploration like a drone. So before we making prototype with 4D frame, I will giving you the worksheet, yeah. And this worksheet or third worksheet, you have to draw your vehicle to exploring Mars, yeah. For this meeting or for meeting, I will giving you opportunity to test, yeah, whether is your prototype is suitable to adopt of the Mars condition. Are you ready for the prototype testing? Oh, the wheel is spinning, yeah. I already seen your prototype is working, but the problem is why it cannot fly. Maybe you have the answer about the question. Yeah, I will giving you as a homework for the next meeting. So in this meeting, I will asking you to fill the final worksheet. It's called improve your design or redesign your prototype.
Yes, we have prototype, namely GeoX Iona or the chemical grasshopper explorer experimental Iona that is Mars exploration drone inspired by grasshopper structure. Now, large legs, back legs to jump long and make energy efficiently, and then light and segmented body, and last folding wings neatly and ready to use at any time. And next for the structure for the frame, there is yellow and blue stems as a main frame, and then white gear to connect for connector, and lower frame as a landing gear, and also there is a propeller and mounted fork.
And now I want to explain the physics principles behind the designs of our drone. First is Newton's third law. There is a propeller that spins and push air downward, and the drone is upward and allowing it to fly. And the next is Pascal's law. We using Pascal laws to design the drone with a tightly sealed structure to function effectively in a thin atmosphere. And the last is to maximize energy efficiency. The drone is lightweight and symmetrically shaped, which just minimizes air resistance.
Hey guys, there are some advantages of this drone. At the first, bio-inspired design of grasshopper. This drone suitable for jumping and flying in the thin atmosphere of Mars. And second is hybrid mode. This drone can jump or hover if the energy efficiency is required. This drone, for the main frame, we use for the frame, and then there are propeller, and then camera or sensor, and then there are support legs to help the drone to move.
And then I will present a comparison between conventional Earth drones and GeoX Iona. Let's begin with operational environment. Earth drone is operated in our atmosphere with normal pressures and variable temperatures. Meanwhile, GeoX Iona is designed for Mars, where the air is thin and cold, requiring a drone that can adapt to extreme conditions.
Presenting and introduce a prototype of the Mars exploration drone made by my student. It's called GeoX Iona. It's inspired from the local Lipton system of Indonesia. As you can see, the structure of this prototype is fully made from the 4D frame kit, and it attached with some other component. The first one, as you can see, for model is controller, yeah, and the next one is the propeller. Next one is the power module, yeah, for flying, of course. Next one is the camera with its camera module, and the last but not least is the antenna for transmit the information to its space station.